Hello students, I am your Z sir welcoming you in the class 6 max part 8 of for chapter number 1 knowing our number. In last part 7 we had discussed question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 1.3. In question number 2 we had completed 3 sums. Now we will continue question number 2 का fourth sum हम देखेंगे अभी. So which sum is that? Sum is 4,89,348 minus 48,365. So we have to minus these two terms. So before minusing these two sums, we have to rounding off. Again I am telling to you, अगर आपको round off नहीं है पता तो you have to see the part 6 of chapter number 1. So the round off concept will be clear for you. So see the part number 6 if you don't know the round off. Okay, now rounding off at tens place value. So 4, 8, 9, 3, 48. You have to round off at tens place value. So ones and tens, the 4 is at our tens place value. So we will see 8. 8 is behind the 4. So 8 is greater than 5. Yes. So we will add plus 1 in 4. So it becomes 4, 8, 9, 3, 5 and 8 become 0. Another term 4, 8, 3, 6, 5. Okay. So rounding of this number, it become 4, 8, 3, 7, 0. Okay. So this we get after the round off. Now we have to minus this number. Okay. So I am minusing here because here is no space this side. So I should change my chalk also. 4, 8, 9, 3, 5, 0 minus 0, 7, 3, 8, 4. Okay, after minusing 0 minus 0 it gives 0. 5 minus 7 not possible, so 5 become 15. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 gives 8. अब यहाँ से भी 2 कट होगा, 3 का 2 हो जाएगा. So 2 is not possible to minus from 3. Okay, so it become 12. Cutting after number 9 it become 8. Okay, so 12 minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 it gives 9. Okay, 8 minus 8 becomes 0 and 8 minus 4 it gives us 4 and 4 minus 0 it gives us 4 only. So this is our answer after rounding off at tens place value. Now we have to round off at 100 place value. So 4, 8, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 8. After rounding off at 100 place value, so 100 place value पे कौन है? 3 is at 100 place value. So 4, 8, 9, 3 become 3 only and other two number will be 0 because 4 is less than 5. Next number 48,365. After rounding off at 100 place value, it gives us 48,300. No, 300 not. It gives us 400. Okay, because the 6 is greater than 5, so adding plus 1 in 3. Okay, it becomes 4. Another two number will be 0. Now minus, so 4, 8, 9, 3, 0. 4, 8, 9, 3, 0 minus 4, 8, 4, 0. 4, 8, 4. Okay, minusing this number, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 4, not possible, become 13 and cutting other number 9 become 8. So 13 minus 4 it gives us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 it gives 9. 8 minus 8 gives us 0. 8 minus 4 gives us 4 and 4 minus 0 gives us 4. So here we get the answer after rounding off at 100 place value. Now write this in your book. I am giving you time. Okay, now after this we will move on question number 3 of exercise 1.3. So write this one. Now coming on question number 3 is estimate the following products. Okay, we have to estimate this number. So before estimating, we have to round off. Here they had not specified that we have to round off at 10's place value, 100 place value, or 1000 place value. Okay, in your exam we will already tell you that we have to estimate it, or we can say round off it at this place value, 10's, 100, 1000 place value. Then after you have to multiply it. Okay, in exam you don't worry about it. Okay. But here they told us to estimate the following, so we have to estimate the following with our own round offing it. Here 578. First of all, we will rounding it 578. So 578 round off. So you have to round off which number? You have to round off the maximum number. ठीक है, ये मैक्सिमम नंबर जो है वो आपको क्या करना है? राउंड ऑफ करना है. 578. Okay, so behind 5 there is 7, so plus 1 is added to 5 because 7 is greater than 5. Okay, so it becomes 6. Another term will 0 0. Now 161, rounding of 161 become, now we have to round off 1. Okay, so 1 का round off करेंगे तो क्या होगा? We will get 200 because 6 is greater than 5, so plus 1 we have to add. Now we have to take a product of these two number. So 600 multiplied by 200 equal to 6 2 जा. अब देखो यहाँ पे you have to see that here is a 2 0 and again 2 0. So here total are 4 0 we have. So first of all we will write the 4 zeros. Okay, at last. Okay, after writing this 4 0, now we will multiply these two numbers. 6 2 za, 2 6 za, anything else. It become 12, so we will write here 12. This is our answer for number 1. Okay, write this in your book. Now moving on, next question. So next question is 1291 multiply by 592. 592. Okay, so see here, यहाँ पर in multiplication, if it is possible, round off it while seeing bigger value 5 or greatest value, or else what we have to do, we have to make a multiplication of these two number, and afterward we get the answer of these two number. We have to round off these two number and getting the answer and compare this both answer. Okay, उसमें वो तरीका होता है, वो भी कर सकते हो, but it will become some complex. So what we will do, we will round off it. So 1291 after rounding of this. अब देखिए यहाँ पे 1291 is किसके करीब है? It is more near to which number? 1300 or 1200. See, this number is more near to 1300. Okay, so it become 1300. So we will write here 1300. Okay, after doing this we will on common 592. So after seeing 592, here is 92, so we will see on number line. Okay, so 592, it is, there is 600 and here is a 500, and if you want to make, then you can make also 550 also. That's depend upon you. If you want to write two numbers, you can write two numbers. If you want to write three number, you can write three number. Okay, 592 is more near to which number? 600, 550, yeah, 500. Yes, it's near to 600. So this we will do 600. So first method I show you, तो वो क्या उसमें करना था, greatest value को round off करना था. And this is the next way that you have to see the number and draw on the number line and see that this number is nearest to which number. Okay, so there are this way you can do in multiplication sum. So in exam, don't worry, you will get the specification that you have to round off it which way. So this is for your information. So if you want to do first method, you can do first method. If you want to do this method, you can do this method also. Now we have to multiply this both. So 1300 multiply by 60. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 we will write here, 4 0 we have, we will write 4 0, 13 1 0 6 78. Okay, 13 6 are 78, or else 6 is 18, 1 8, 6 1 6 plus 1 7. Okay, you can do like this also, or else you have to remember the table. 13 6 are 78. Okay, this is our answer for next question. Okay, now here the chapter number 1, knowing our number, is ended. Okay, in next video, in video number 9. Okay, in video number 9 we will come with a new chapter, and till then practice these sums. And if here the two sums is remaining, okay, that two sums you have to do by yourself. Okay, till then I am your Z sir, ending this video. Bye bye.